The valve seal right in here is bad. Whenever we tried to pull it out, it ripped, and we need to put a new one in. The purpose of the valve seal is just to seal the valve. It slides right over the valve stem, and that keeps oil from going into the cylinder itself. So if you start your car and oil just starts pumping out of the exhaust, it would make sense because there would be oil in the head, of course, and if it's leaking through the valve seal, it would leak into the cylinder. When you start the car, it'd burn the oil. But what I'm going to do is we need to take that old one out, and then we have to put the new one in. And it's not just as simple as pull it out and put the new one in. Now they make a special tool to take this out, but really you can just get it out with a pair of pliers. You are gonna destroy the old valve seal, but this is already bad. We don't need to preserve it or anything. So now we'll try grabbing it from the outside and just kind of wiggle it that way. You can see it's starting to move. And there it is. So to put these in, you need a socket that will fit around this edge perfectly, and we have the smallest socket in the set. Fits right on that, just perfect. Couldn't be a better fit. Now we're gonna go ahead and press this onto the valve guide. This is just a press fit. It has like ribs in there so it'll stay. So I'm just gonna take this, put it down. All right, now let's go ahead and tap this on. Sounded like it's seated, and that looks good. So that's how you put the valve seal in. Now we can go ahead and put the valve itself back in, and then we'll be able to just assemble the rest of the valve, which would be the spring and everything that goes with it. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.